Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be bringing you guys another clean with me video. This one is just going to be our bedroom and bathroom, and as you can see, it was a hot mess. So I'm just going to go ahead and start off by hanging all of the clean clothes that I had on the bed and figuring out what stuff is dirty. So then of course I need to go and grab some hangers for all of them, and then I'm just going to put these away.
Keep it together. Been playing it down, but I'm so getting tired. Now won't you meet high? 'Cause I've been feeling that crazy, and I need to lose control. So baby, put the record on. Baby, put the record on. Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go.
Finally getting to the closet, I just went ahead and put all of my things just randomly in the middle because I think sometime this weekend or sometime soon I'm going to do like a closet declutter and organization video. So that will be a perfect time for that. But just for now, I'm just cleaning up and putting things back where they belong in the closet, as well as putting any dirty clothes into the dirty laundry basket.
Monday came and swept away all the fun of yesterday's. But I'm gonna hold it together. This ain't forever. Need a shot and then a beat. Somewhere to let out some steam. I'm not the one to say never.
Moving on, I am simply just picking up different things around the room, from jackets to clothes to whatever is laying around, and just trying to clean up the floor and put everything back where it belongs. We just get in a bad habit of sometimes just tossing our things wherever they land at the end of the day, especially during a busy weekend, which is why the bedroom is such a mess now. So just putting everything away where it belongs.
Baby, put the record on. I'm not gonna need that song. Hit it.
Moving on to the bed, I have let the bed go unmade for the past couple of days. So I of course had to go in and make our bed so it was all nice and clean and ready to go. Even though we're going to be sleeping in a couple hours, it's totally fine. It just makes the room look so much cleaner and more put together. And honestly, I just need to get back in the habit of doing it every day again.
Come with me. Let's do something.
Onto my desk area, I pretty much just did a quick cleanup of this and got everything off of the table and just straightened up, and then wiped down the top of my desk because it was getting a little bit dusty.
Hit it. And I've been needing that crazy, and I gotta let it go. So baby, put the record.
I also went into our windowsill and blinds and dusted those, mostly because these collect a lot of Charlie hair, and it's hard to see when you're far away, but up close it is insane. Time to clear off the top of our dresser. We tend to just dump a bunch of things here and kind of leave them, so I wanted to make sure that this was all cleared off and then wiped down as well.
Girl, you should wear a name tag. Yeah. Whoa.
Let's go.
Summer's gone, I'm latching on. Don't even know your name, but you're still in my head. Underneath rays of gold, your body, you're so close. No, I can't forget, no.
Onto our bedside table, or more Clay's bedside table. I wanted to go ahead and wipe this down as well because, again, Charlie hair tends to collect here a lot. So I just wanted to wipe everything down and make sure it was all clean again.
'Cause you're the end of the rainbow, and the music was so loud.
And before moving on to the bathroom, I just wanted to head back in the closet and kind of put things back where they belonged. We had a bunch of stuff out of place, a lot of things just tossed on the floor and on the shelves and not hung up when they should have been. So just a quick tidy up in here to make sure everything is in its spot.
People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
also wanted to add in my filming lights because these are so in the way all the time. So I figured this spot in the closet would be really nice to keep them.
4 a.m. and we go home.
Moving on into the bathroom, I'm not doing a super deep clean in here. I'm really just kind of picking up things and putting them where they belong. Again, we get in a bad habit of just leaving stuff out and not putting them back in their home. So I just want to straighten everything up, throw away any trash that's hanging out on the countertop, and put everything back where it goes.
That's the only way that I get your name. Girl, you should wear a name tag. It's too important to be your name. People go insane when you walk by. Girl, you should wear a name tag.
I did decide to quickly grab a basket and toss a bunch of Clay's things in it because he has somehow separated his out from mine in the other basket. So I wanted to make sure it had a new home. And then lastly, I'm just going into our drawer and reorganizing this because it got a little bit cluttered. And guys, this is going to bring us to the end of the video. I really hope that you all enjoyed seeing a little clean with me for our bedroom and bathroom. If you guys have any questions or requests, please feel free to leave them down below. Also, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You guys can do that by clicking the little red subscribe button right down below. And without further ado, that's going to bring us to the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye, guys!